Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling replies on your Instagram stories. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't want people to be able to reply to your story, here is how to disable it. On your Instagram profile page, tap the Create New Story button from the top left. On the camera screen, tap the settings icon from the top left of the page. Now select Story. Under the Replying section, you can choose to allow everyone to reply, just people you follow, or select off to stop all people from replying. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.